Morning, class 10 and 9, even sequence and series part 6. Question number 1b, in an AP, if D equal B minus A upon N plus 1, what does N denote? Where D, A, B and N have their usual meanings. D for common difference, B last term, A first term, and what does N denote? Solution: in NAP, if D equal B minus A by N plus 1, then N denotes the number of arithmetic means AMS between A and B. N denotes the number of arithmetic means between A and B. Then another question is there. Question number 6a, slightly tricky question. Applications of AP and GP both. AP र GP मा दुईटै भएको. For example, if the second, it means second, sixth and ninth terms of an AP are the first, it's better to write down this way: the first, the second and third terms respectively of a GP. Find the common ratio. This one is slightly, the second term, sixth term and ninth term of an AP are the first, second and third terms respectively of a GP. Geometrical progression. Find the common ratio. AP मा भएको सेकेन्ड टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म हो, सिक्स टर्म चाहिँ सेकेन्ड टर्म हो र नाइन्थ टर्म चाहिँ थर्ड टर्म हो जीपी को. एपी को सेकेन्ड टर्म, सिक्स टर्म र नाइन्थ टर्म, जीपी को फर्स्ट, सेकेन्ड, थर्ड टर्म हो. सी I write directly second term T2 equal A plus 2 minus 1 into D, A plus D, where the symbols have their own meanings, usual meanings. Sixth term, here write second term, sixth term, this is for AP. Sixth term is A plus 6 minus 1 into D, A plus 5D. Second term is A plus D, sixth term is A plus 5D, and ninth term T9 equal A plus 9 minus 1 into D, A plus 8D. Second term, sixth term and ninth term of for AP. But for GP, for a GP, these numbers are in GP. They are first term and second term. For GP, first term is A plus D given. The second term is A plus 5D and third term is A plus 8D. अर्थात् एपीमा भएको जुन सेकेन्ड टर्म, सिक्स टर्म र नाइन्थ टर्म जीपी को लागि फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेन्ड टर्म र थर्ड टर्म हो. एन्ड वाट A plus D, A plus 5D and A plus 8D. That means A plus D, A plus 5D, A plus 8D are in a GP. This one is a little bit tricky question. First of all, you have to find second term. Formula of the second term for AP: second term A plus D, sixth term A plus 5D, ninth term A plus 8D. These three terms, second, sixth and ninth terms, are first, second and third terms for GP. अर्थात् यो AP को लागि सेकेन्ड, सिक्स्थ र नाइन्थ टर्म हो, तर GP को लागि यो फर्स्ट, सेकेन्ड, थर्ड टर्म हो. Now, if they are in GP, what can you write? Common ratio. Their common ratio is equal. Therefore, A plus 5D by A plus D equal A plus 8D by A plus 5D. Why? Because the common ratio is T2 by T1, T3 by T2. Take the common ratio. Common ratio. Second by first equal third by second. Now cross multiply. And you can cross multiply this way: A plus 5D whole square equal A plus D into A plus 8D. Here you have to find the relation between A and D, or A square plus twice AB. Here I will do directly. Twice AB means 10AD. D square means 5D whole square, 25D square. 5 को पनि this into this A square plus this into this 8AD plus AD 9AD altogether plus 8D square. A square plus 10AD minus A square minus 9AD equal 8D square minus 25D square. See, D square on the right side, A square and AD on the left side, or A square cancel 10, this is AD equal, this is minus 17D square. See, 8 minus 25 is 17 AD, or D can cancel because D is not 0. Common difference is not 0. A equal minus 17D. The first term is minus 17 times the common difference. You have to know it. A plus D, A plus 5D, A plus 8D. You have to note it here. A plus D, A plus 5D, A plus 8D. For GP, first term, second term, third term. See, A equal this one. And what is the, for GP, what is the first term? T1 equal A plus D. T1 plus B. A is minus 17D plus D is minus 16D. First term is minus 16D. Second term is A plus 5D. For GP, second term is sixth term of AP. A is minus 17D plus 5D. This is minus 12D. Minus 17 plus 5 is minus 12. Third term of GP is A plus 8D. A value minus 17D plus 8D is minus 9D. What is the common ratio? Common ratio is found in two formulas: T2 by T1. T2 by T1. T2 is minus 12D by minus 16D cot 3 by 4. If the answer is correct or not, T2 by T1. Again, I'll check. T3 by T2. T3 is minus 9D by minus 12D minus 1 cot, DD cot, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Therefore, common ratio R equal 3 by 4. The common ratio R equal 3 by 4. What you have to do for the AP, second term A plus D, sixth term A plus 5D, ninth term A plus 8D. These three terms in AP are second, sixth and ninth terms of an AP are first, second and third term of a GP. Therefore, take common ratio T2 by T1 equal T3 by T2. Cross multiply. Find the relation between A and D. A equal minus 17D. For the GP, T1 equal A plus D minus 17D plus D minus 16D. T2 A plus 5D minus 17D plus 5D minus 12D. Third term A plus 8D minus 70D plus 8D minus 9D. Common ratio T2 by T1 minus 12D by minus 16D. Cut by 4. 4 into 3, 4 into 4. 3 by 4. Again T3 by T2 minus 9D by minus 12D. 3 by 4. So the common ratio is 3 by 4 in this case. Another question number is question number 6B. Question number 6B is this: if the first and the fifth terms of a GPR 625 and 1 respectively, find the number of means and the common ratio. In a GP, the first term is 625 and the fifth term is 1. Fifth term is 1. See how to find the number of means and common ratio. Solution: let A for first term and R for common ratio. For the GP, given that if the first and fifth terms of a GP are given, first term is A equal 625 given. The common ratio we don't know. Fifth term T5 equal 1 given. We know, we don't know how many terms are there. Tn equal ARn minus 1. Or you can also write Tn for value Tn n A 625. R we don't know. How many terms are there? Fifth term 5 minus 1. If the first and the fifth terms of an GP are 125 and number of terms also 5. Number of terms are 5. Or 1 equal 625 R to the power 4. Or r to the power 4 equal 1 by 625. The 625 goes down, or r to the power 4 equal 1 by 5 to the power 4. R to the power 4, 1 by 5 to the power 4. Or taking base only, r equal 1 by 5. Taking base only, power 4 cancel, r equal 1 by 4. Then how many means? You have to find the means, okay? Find the number of means, find how many means are there. First of all, m1 equal ar, insert the means. A is 625, r is 1 by 5, that means 125. m2 is ar square, ar square, that means 25. m3 is ar cube, 625 into 1 by 5 whole cube, that is 5. And fourth mean 1, and the last term is 5. So the actual AP, there are 3 number of means. Common ratio is 1 by 5. But in this case, only common ratio is enough. The GP is 625, comma, divide by 5, 125, 25, 5, 1. This is the GP. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. There are 5 terms, and there are 3 number of means. Number of means equals number of geometrical means. Means m equal n minus 2, 5 minus 2 equal 3. There are 3 geometric means. See, there 3 geometric means. This is the first term, this is the last term. A, and this is Tn. This is the formation of GP. 625, 125, 25, 5, and 1. See, first term given 625, last term, fifth term given 1. How many terms are there? Tn equal ar n minus 1. Put Tn equal 1, a 625, r n 5. 625 r to the power 4 equal 1. Find r equal 1 by 5. First mean ar, second mean ar square, third mean ar cube. Because the formula of Tn ar n minus 1 mn ar n. These formulae are very important. It's an easy one. Another question. I am going to write another question also. Question number 22B. 22B, or say 22A, first of all. This is a long question. See. The sum of 3 numbers in a GP is 31, and their product is 125. Find them. See. The question is, the sum of 3 numbers in a GP is 31, and their product is 125. 3 ta जोड़ दा 31 into 125. See, solution. Let a by r, a and ar be the 3 terms in a geometrical progression. A by r, if you multiply by r, a by r, ar square, ar cube, etc. 3 terms are there. But if you take 5 terms, a by r square, a by r, ar square, 5 terms. But three terms. Given condition, the sum of the three terms is 31. We cannot find any relation, but another relation is product is 125. Product equal 125. Product means into, or product means first term into second term into third term equal 125. R cancel. A cube equal 555. Taking A cancel, base only. No, 3 cancel. A cube equal 5 cube. It means taking base only, A equal 5. First term is, no, A value is 5. Second term. Now putting A equal 5 in equation 1, we get A 5 by R plus 5 plus 5R equal 31. There are two unknowns, A and R. I have found the value of A equal 5. Put the value of A equal 5 and only the unknown value is R. Now, what you should do, take LCM. R 5 plus 5R plus 5R square equal 31, or 5R square plus 5R plus 5 equal 31R. See, 5 plus 5R plus 5R square, take LCM, equal 31. It is 5R square plus 5R plus 5 equal 31R, or 5R square plus 5R minus 31R plus 5 equal 0. See, right side should be 0. Three terms, A by R, A and AR. Sum means plus, A by R plus AR, 31. Product means into, T1 into T2 into T3 equal 125. A by R into AR, 125. R cancel, A cube equal 5 cube. Therefore, A equal 5. Put the value of A equal 5 in this equation, you can easily find out the value of R by midterm factorization. Let me factorize midterm. Or 5R square. 5R, this one is minus 26R plus 5 equals 0. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 1, 25. Because 5 plus 5 is 10. 25 plus 1 equal 26. Midterm factorization, minus 25 plus 1R plus 5 equals 0. Or 5R square minus 25R minus R plus 5 equals 0. Now 5R, R minus 5. Minus 1 common, R minus 5. Or R minus 5, 5R minus 1 equal 0. Solving either R minus 5 equals 0, equation 1, or 5R minus 1 equals 0, equation 2. There are two values of R. From 1, R equals 5. From equation 2, 5R equal 1 or R equal 1 by 5. Take the two cases. Case 1 and case 2. Case 1, A equal 5, R equal 5. A equal not 5, R equal common ratio 5. In this case, what is the first term? First term is A by R, 5 by 5, 1. Second term is A, 5. Third term is AR, 5 into 5, 25. numbers are 1, 5 and 25. Case 1. Here, case 2, a equal 5, r equal 1 by 5. So what is the first term? Therefore, first term is a by r. A is 5 by r is 1 by 5. 5. 1 by 5 reciprocal 5. This is 25. Second term T2 is A is already 5. T3 is AR. A is 5, R is 1 by 5. 1. So, what are the numbers? At last, finally, we can write the 3 numbers in a GPR 1, 5, 25 or 25, 5, 1. See. Sum A by R plus AR equal 31. Product A by R into AR equal 25, 125. Find the value of A equal 5. A equal 5 also. Put the value of A equal 5 in equation 1. A by R plus AR equal 5. Find the value of R by taking LCM, simplifying, cross multiplying, and RHS 0. Midterm factorization. 25 into 1, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 5 into 5, 26. R equal 5 or 1 by 5. Two values of R. Then first case. In the first case, 1, 5 and 25 are the 3 terms. Second case, 25, 5 and 1 are the 3 terms. Is the answer correct or not? Just find out. 1, 5, 25. Multiply by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 5 is 25. Sum 1 plus 5 plus 25 equal 31. Again 25, 5, 1. Common ratio is 1 by 5. The sum of the 3 numbers 25 plus 5 plus 1 equal 31. Sum 31. Product see 125. Product is 125. Sum is 31. So by checking the answer is correct. विद्यार्थीहरुले यो निकालेको एन्सरलाई जोड्नी 31 आउँछ, मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 125 आउँछ, कमन रेशियो 5 अथवा 1/5 हुन्छ. दिस मच फर टुडे.